Hey, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. Now, first things first, I want to wish you a happy new year 2021 and also congratulate you on going through the whole of 2020, which was another type of a year I've never seen. But if you are here, congratulations, and I can't wait to see you through this year successfully. This video is basically a life and channel update kind of video, and I basically want to share with you how life has been and what is going to be or what I'm planning in the coming days. So on the side of the life updates, I actually took an announced break about 6 weeks from the channel, and I actually went to hike a mountain in Uganda, which is the highest mountain in Uganda at about 5,109 meters above sea level. I could manage to summit. I was along with some other amazing people. It was a very good experience, and I actually managed to document our experiences. I wrote a blog post on a blog website. I'm going to share down in the description box below. At the same time, I could also make some videos on my vlog channel. So if you want to check them out, please check down in the description box of this video. So at the same time, after doing the mountain, came back. Before I knew it was Black Friday, before I knew it was my 26th birthday at the same time, and then before I knew it is 2021. So that's how life has been for the last couple of days, and I think it was a break that I really needed to go off the channel and also be able to do a couple of other exciting things besides making videos on YouTube. Back on the channel updates, last year was one of the best years of my channel. Grew to over 8,000 subscribers from 1,000 subscribers in January. I actually shot a video thanking you guys for subscribing to the channel in January when I had made only 1,000 subscribers. So you guys pushed my channel to over 8,000 subs, and I'm so grateful. I just have to say thank you so much for every one of you who comes back and watches my videos, subscribes, or uses my affiliate links to purchase anything. That actually really helps me out. And now this year of 2021, I'm looking forward to pushing out even more videos and bettering my process and also providing you more value. I'm looking at pushing out about 2 to 3 videos a week, or even 1 video, for as long as it's actually going to bring you value. And when I went to the mountains, I actually decided to document all my experiences going up this mountain, and I could manage to make up a blog and also a YouTube channel. But the most interesting thing is that you guys have been asking for tutorials about some specific tools in the WordPress ecosystem, like Rank Math for optimizing your blog posts or your content, and also Addons theme. And guess what? When I was putting together this blog, I could manage to actually check out some of these tools like the Addons theme, and guess what? Actually built up this blog using the Addons theme. You guys actually know that I'm a big fan of Astra, and now that I'm going to be making videos about Addons doesn't mean that I will no longer use Astra, but I think it's a tool that I should actually check out. At the same time, you know that I'm a fan of Yoast SEO. Now, making videos about Rank Math doesn't mean that Yoast SEO no longer works, but also checking out Rank Math and how it works, I think it's a good thing for me and also for you guys. I can't wait to share some of those videos and tutorials about how you can set up your own website using Rank Math, and also how you can set up your website using the Addons theme. So if you want to actually check out the Addons theme, the free version, actually how it looks like, please check out that link in the description box below for my blog, which I actually used 100% using Addons without any other thing. On the other hand, you guys have actually been asking for a web design course from me, which is something I had actually never considered to do, because I believe in sharing content freely on the internet, because that's how I managed to learn, how I managed to become a better web designer. And I think I want to put out the same kind of resources to even help more other people freely. So I've made up my decision that once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'll be pushing out my first web design course, and it will be on Skillshare. And why Skillshare? Because Skillshare actually gives people about 2 months, if you've not been, subscribed to the platform, and those 2 months you can actually watch this web design tutorial for free and you are done. So if you're already a subscriber on Skillshare, then you'll actually be able still to access this course. So I'm looking forward to that. On the other hand, I can't wait to read some of your feedbacks, comments from some of the videos I already have up on the channel, because that actually pushes me and even makes me learn a couple of things on one hand, and on the other hand makes me to feel good about myself, because if my videos are helping someone out there, then that actually gives me a sense of fulfillment. So you guys, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my tutorials, my content. And in case you've never subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because this is the only channel whereby you learn how to build websites without any technical skills, without tinkering with any line of code, in a simple, easiest processes. So please consider subscribing. So thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to push out my first tutorial in 2021, and also to see this channel grow to over 10,000 subscribers, and also to see you become a better web designer. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time, and ciao.